Time Traveler's Café. In a quiet corner, in a small town, there is nestled, among the rolling hills, an unassuming café, known only to a select few. Its sign, hanging over the door, is weathered with age, and bears the name, Time Traveler's Café, in faded gold letters. For those who stumble upon it, the café holds a certain charm. Inside, the decor harkens back to decades past, music softly playing in the background, and a menu that boasts classic dishes, like meatloaf and mashed potatoes, apple pie, with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and bottomless cups of steaming coffee. But what truly sets the Time Traveler's Café apart is its patrons. They are not just ordinary people, but are adventurers in the grand journey of life. Each having a story to tell, tales of triumph and tribulation, experienced by the various individuals present. Among them was Evelyn, a poet. She will recite verses from memory that she had penned, transporting listeners to a place where words flowed as freely as the summer breeze. Sitting across from her was Harold, an engineer type, who can fix anything with a wrench and a little elbow grease. He recounts, to newcomers, his stories about building things, his eyes twinkling with pride at each tale of projects completed, then and now. And then there's Claire, the café's unofficial historian, whose knowledge of local lore and legends is unparalleled. She could tell you about the town's founding fathers or recount encounters that happened in the old abandoned mill that just might send shivers down the spine of even the most skeptical listener. As the hours pass, in the cozy confines of the Time Traveler's Café, new friendships blossom amidst laughter and shared memories. For all those who enter through its doors, it is not just a place to eat or drink, it is a sanctuary where time passes, and the wisdom of the ages is intertwined with the dreams of the young and the old. And so, whether seeking solace in the company of kindred spirits, or simply looking to have a hot meal on a chilly afternoon, the Time Traveler's Café welcomes all who find their way through its doors, promising to each person a journey through time and a reminder that the stories we carry within us are timeless treasures waiting to be shared.